Wasn't planning on making a video right now, but for all you 2022 Hyundai Elentra owners, I thought this would be pretty cool for you guys. So we're installing some LED headlight bulbs. Goes from Lasfit. Let's see if there's a part number. I want to get all the information. Come on, let's go. There. Let's focus. Oh, come on, focus. Doesn't want to focus, guys, but there you have it. That's all the information about these bulbs. One of them, as you guys can see, it's much brighter. The other one's still the yellow one. Right. And I did it without removing the bumper, so from what I know, I looked up a few videos on how to do this on this car, and I'll show you guys. This is focus. Yes, I'm not focusing. Little push pins. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. Nope. She doesn't want to focus, but it's these push pins. They're just along the side right here. There's a few, and then there's a 8mm bolt right here, and I kind of took off this bolt. I believe it was like a, let's say a 12 or 13, just for more play. And all you do is, right up here is you twist off like the cover, which is right there, little cover for the headlights, and you can disconnect it. Super easy to disconnect, and you just twist it off, take it off, replace it, and put it back in, and that's it. It's so simple. On the videos I've seen online, people take off the bumper. I'm like, I don't want to do that. Did kind of jack up the car a little bit too as well, just to make it a little bit easier. Yeah, that's how it looks now. I'm gonna tighten her up and go for a little test drive, see how they look while I drive. And it is getting darker, so that's good. So the other side, this is super easy. I'll just get it knocked off real quick, but let's go for a little test drive. As update, here's a comparison. See that the blue one, or the white light, is brighter than the yellow. I was driving earlier too, and all you see is just the white light reflecting off everything. The yellow light you cannot see at all, so it does make a big difference. I'm just gonna drive down the block, see how it looks, and then I'm just gonna swap the white light in and take away those nasty yellow bulbs out. The car's a 2022. It doesn't deserve to have those nasty old things, and that looks way better. Guys, now we're gonna go wash my sister's car before we return it back to her because it is filthy, so why not? And I'll get to show you guys this car wash that I found that is touchless, and it's much cooler at nighttime, so you guys will see that. And then we're gonna go pick up the daily. So once I get to the car wash, I'll pick you guys up. Rave vibes. Little wash, the touchless car wash. Got my sister in the car, her friend, and it didn't really do much. My sister's car was really dirty, so honestly, touchless car washes only work for like just the car has dust on it. But these headlights turned out real nice. Lasfit always with the good quality lighting. Now this car looks more dated with these lights instead of the ugly yellow ones. So we're saying they went like on a road trip to get dinner or something, and that my sister couldn't see that well. Now with these, she is gonna be able to see because they are super bright. We're on the freeway, and the whole like all 4 lanes were illuminated. It's crazy. But yeah, if you have a 2022 Elentra and you got the ugly yellow lights, Lasfit is the way to go. Super easy install. Didn't even need to take off the bumper. If you have like skinny arms, I have like some decently big arms, and I still got my hand through there. So if you guys have skinnier arms, you guys would definitely be able to get your hands through there. But yeah, that's it. There it is. Should I get something else for my sister's car? I got her those lights as a Christmas gift. So if I should get her something else, let me know. Comments down below. Yeah, these Elantras are not bad. They just came out with the Elentra N, and I think that car is so sick. Like the dash on this car already looks cool enough. So, and how many, like 280 horsepower, front wheel drive, dual clutch. That's a pretty cool car. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And also, it was a random video. I didn't even plan on recording this, but why not? For all you Elentra owners. Peace out.